Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Nigerian buns with a unique twist to it. I will be adding some desiccated coconut and fresh coconut milk to give the buns a nice and unique coconut flavor and taste. This coconut buns is extra delicious, flavorful, seriously crunchy on the outside, and super dense and soft on the inside. You need to give it a try. Without further ado, let's get started. I will be using coconut oil to give the buns an extra coconut flavor. I prefer to use a small pot or pan because it requires less oil. The bigger the pan, the more the oil. The oil should be at the right temperature. Try testing the oil by putting a little bit of butter into the oil to see how it fries up. If the butter burns quickly, it's a sign the oil is too hot. Once you start to put the butter into the coconut oil, you will notice it will begin to get a bit foamy. Don't worry about that, it's all part of the frying process. It will clear up after a while. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.